Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. In this video today we have 50 ways, that's right, I said 50 ways to work out from home. All the gyms are closing, everything's closing, let's be real, everything's closed, everybody's working out from home, so I figured Mama Swole here could make things a little bit easier for you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to join the Swole Squad, and let's get into it folks, shall we? Follow workouts on YouTube, more specifically Mama Swole workouts. Play with your pets. Clean, dance, go for a walk, go for a run, do yoga, ride a bike, ride a skateboard, ride a scooter, do martial arts, jump rope, or if you don't have a jump rope, imaginary jump rope, resistance band workouts, go swimming, make anabolic French toast and squat the bread, juggle, have sex, safely of course, try on all the clothes in your closet, boxing, kickboxing, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu kickboxing, Muay Thai Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu kickboxing, pretend to be a cat and walk around on all fours all day, rearrange your furniture, hopscotch, basketball, football, soccer, fly kite, play hacky sack, make origami while doing lunges, walk around in a circle, run around in a circle, throw that ass in a circle. I can't, that's funny. Eat all your meals with chopsticks while marching in place. Go up and down the stairs. Put on a cape and pretend to fly around. Get on a broom and pretend to fly around. Read a book while doing sit-ups. Paint your nails while doing squats. Call all your friends and do a push-up every time they don't answer. Attempt an hour-long headstand. Climb a tree. Do curls with a gallon of water. Learn how to do the walk. Salsa dance. Ballroom dance. Buy some weights so you don't have to do all these crazy things. And that, my friends, is 50 ways to work out from home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. Shout out to my patron Steven for suggesting this video idea. Comment below what you are currently doing at home to work out, and make sure you subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Shout out to all my patrons. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, just 2 smackaroos, that's it. The link is in the description. I will see you guys on the next one. I hope you have a good ass day.